Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Tech Anomaly channel. Wanted to give you guys a real quick video regarding today's spike in Bitcoin price. As we've all been seeing, crypto's been doing fairly well after kind of hitting a bearish market during the summer. So it's been a great week for Bitcoin and it's just gotten even better. So Bitcoin broke its all-time high today, up to $64,888 today, hitting a record high of $66,974 US dollars. So this new record of Bitcoin hitting its all-time high comes after Bitcoin's been sitting around $62,000 US dollars, that is, for the past few days or week or so now. Again, we just had the very first Bitcoin ETF released this week by the New York Stock Exchange, which could be pumping it up. But a year ago, if you look back a year ago, Bitcoin was sitting around $11,500 coin. Who knows what's next? What's the next target price for Bitcoin? We'll get to that in a minute. Well, before we go any further, I need you to do me a favor and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you like hearing content like this. So as a result of all this growth, temptation is on the rise, right? People are wanting to jump in, buy some Bitcoin, get into crypto, maybe even start mining it. But there's this fear of missing out that is very concerning to me. So many of you might be asking, what's the next price prediction for Bitcoin? It's already broken its record today. It's sitting above 66,000. Here we are as of the recording date of this video, October 20th, 4:41 Pacific Standard Time. It's sitting around 66,110 US dollars. What's the next target price? Let's take a look at some things that I pulled up online. We can review those together. So let's see, here we go. This is a little bit about Bitcoin. I guess we can jump into this real quick. So for those who are fairly new to the cryptocurrency world, I'll go ahead and read this off a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency. It's a type of digital asset that uses a public key cryptography to record, sign, and send transactions over the Bitcoin blockchain technology. So this was launched in January of 2009 by an anonymous computer programmer under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. So it's been around for 12 years now, going on 13 years. So it's been around for quite some time. Before we dive into what it does and everything, let's go ahead and just go into those price predictions because that's what we want to get answers to. So Bitcoin price prediction surge as Bitcoin smashes through all-time high. So we're going to pull up this article from investorplace.com. Let's take a look at what they say right here. So currently Bitcoin is resting at nearly $66,800, a whopping $4,000 over its previous record. Where might Bitcoin be headed from here? Again, we keep asking that. Let's look at what analysts are predicting for the king of crypto. So Wall Investors, their 12-month prediction sees the coin growing closer than ever to the 100,000 milestone. By October of 2022, the site expects Bitcoin to be valued at $91,812, again, US dollars. A slightly less bullish Governor Capital is still predicting gains of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin over the next year. Again, this is the second prediction. Its October 22 prediction prices Bitcoin in at $85,789. Third prediction. The Economy Forecast Agency end-of-year price target for Bitcoin stands at $78,693 with a potential high of $84,000. Its October 22 prediction stands at a whopping $163,802. That's incredible. An extremely bullish coin price forecast is chalking up the 100,000 plus value for Bitcoin before 2021 even comes to a close. Now that's super bullish. The site's end-of-year price target for Bitcoin is sitting at $102,000 and $102,209. That's an incredibly high dollar amount. And then finally, Digital Coin is predicting Bitcoin will close the year out at a price of $103,490. That's, again, these are all really, really great numbers. Not my personal opinion. I'm not going to take the chance with throwing all my investment into Bitcoin. As we've seen over the course of time, Bitcoin has obviously had its ups and downs. Let's see if we can get this up a little bit. Let's go by 1 day. And we can go back pretty far with this. We can see Bitcoin has done fairly well. And here was that big drop There was one big drop right here in 2020, but there was a big drop at the middle of this year, and that happened to do with obviously some of the regulations in China with them restricting Bitcoin. China, if you didn't know that, was one of the biggest miners of Bitcoin, but due to the regulations in the country and whatnot, they've banned a lot of that. And then, of course, there were a lot of tweets and stuff going on social media. Tesla. CEO owner of Tesla, Elon Musk, was on Twitter. He had made some statements about accepting, not Doge. Doge is another thing. He was accepting Bitcoin to purchase Teslas. And then about a month later, a few weeks later, I can't remember the exact time frame, but he eventually came out and said that because of the carbon footprint of mining Bitcoin, it went against the whole, EV saving, using green energy and all that stuff. And so he basically retreated from accepting Bitcoin, which caused the coin to plummet and kind of go into a somewhat bear of a market. But now we've seen it reach an all-time high again. And so, I mean, we got a good a list of coin predictions or Bitcoin values of where it's going to be at. If you're in it and you're in it long term, hold on to it. But again, it's your decision on what you want to do. Let's see. I think there's one more price prediction I wanted to read off real quick. Here's another one by Plan B, I believe. Yeah, Plan B. One of the things that they had mentioned on here was, I think the unique thing about this one is that he was within a 1/3% of all of his predictions of where Bitcoin was sitting at. And I think one of the things he was saying was that, there we go. So according to his forecast, Bitcoin will return to its all-time high of 64,000 by the end of this month before hitting 98,000 in November. December will see it finally reach above 100,000 according to the analysts, who predicts it will finish 2021 at 135,000, more than 3 times today's price. Well, this article was probably written a few weeks ago, but still though, you got the predictions out there. I hope I've given you enough information for you to make your own decisions on what you're going to do with your investments and when it comes to cryptocurrency. So thanks again for chiming in, for watching this video. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you very much. And until then, peace.